Good morning. Today I would like to present our new paper published in journal Biochemical Pharmacology. It is an extensive review of the literature on the topic of soluble guanylyl cyclase stimulators in the treatment of heart failure. This extensive review, it's a product of long-standing research activities of our department, either in area of clinical research, when we tested these compounds in our patients, and also preclinical translational research in experimental models, and this research is led by our department in Center of Experimental Medicine at ICEM. This collaboration has been established more than 10 years ago, and we start to collaborate also with Bayer company, who is the leading pharmacology company for this type of medication. And the SGC activators, soluble guanylyl cyclase stimulators, are drugs that are mimicking the effect of nitric oxide, which is the anti-remodeling agent that has favorable effects on vasculature and myocardium. And this group of medicines, of drugs, is very promising for treatment of several cardiovascular diseases, including pulmonary hypertension, heart failure, and renal failure. This review is unique in the aspect that we have not only clinical experience, but we have also extensive translational research experience with these compounds, because we were able to obtain early products of the research, and we were able to test these preliminary compounds in experimental animals and test in which constellation these drugs could be most suitable for treatment in clinical scenarios. And we also collaborated with Bayer on clinical testing of these compounds. So I think this review, it's really well substantiated by our knowledge in this area. The leading author of this paper is Olga Gavrish, who came to us from Poland and has been staying at Center of Experimental Medicine for more than 6 years, and she will briefly told you about her experiences at ICEM.
My name is Olga Gavrish, and I originally come from Poland, from the Academy of Science, where I did my PhD in renal physiology, and after that I moved to ICEM in Professor Czerwenka's lab, who we had a really long-lasting cooperation already, and I started working here already 6 years ago. And very quickly, when I came here, we started working with Professor Melanowski and Professor Sandner from Bayer company, as mentioned before, with SGC stimulators and activators. And it is a very exciting collaboration. We did a lot of preclinical models of many cardiovascular diseases, like doxorubicin-induced heart failure, volume overload, pressure overload models. And those drugs seems very promising for treatment of heart failure. And we quickly realized that the field is growing extremely fast, and there is a need to summarize the recent developments in this field. Hence, we decided to write this review with mainly Professor Sandner and Professor Melanowski to summarize the current knowledge and the most crucial and recent studies in this field.